Okay, let's take a look here at scenario number one. Jaime is a French teacher who likes to leave inspirational messages and motivational quotes for his students. He believes due to the COVID-19 pandemic, these types of things are needed more than ever. In the past, he's written them on sticky notes around the room and also on the whiteboard. But for him, this is time consuming. To expedite the process, Jaime added students to a Google group. Students can visit the Google group, like a message board to view his daily messages and quotes. In the group, they're able to respond to his posts. In addition, they can go into the group and set it so they receive Jaime's post but as an email so they don't have to constantly go to the group to find new content. So in this scenario, number one here, we're going to be taking a look at how to, in a group that you are a member, how to set it so you can receive group posts as an email. So what you're going to do here is once you go to Google Groups, you can go to groups.google.com or click on it in your waffle, and you're going to see all the groups in which you are a part of. And then you can open up one of these groups, and to set it where you don't have to come to groups to receive to see the messages and you want to get them in your inbox. So you open up the group as you see here. You're going to come down here to where it says My Membership Settings. And right here where it says subscription, you can choose to get it each message as an email. A digest means that they'll send you like a daily summary. A bridge will be the shorter version, or you put here no email, and then that would mean that you'd have to come to groups. So if you want to get the Google Groups messages sent to your inbox, make sure you click on each email, then you click Save Changes, and you are then good to go.